I'm Kiran Kumar from Nature of Physics. Today topic is x is equal to v naught t plus half at square derivation from the graph method, equation of motion from kinematics. See, this is the velocity and time graph clearly completed, student. So that in which consider a body is moving with uniform acceleration a. Let's initial velocity of the body is v naught. OA represent initial velocity v naught, and opposite sides also same, that is CD represent the v naught, and it gain the velocity. This is the velocity gain from C point to B point. Change in velocity give the acceleration, and final velocity is equal to v represented after the time t. OC represent the time, student. Here also opposite sides are equal, so that I can represent there a time t from the point AD. This is equal to AD, which is equal to T, which is equal to OC, student. Remember, and BC represent V, or CB also represent V, student. Okay, and next the graph plotted between the velocity and time is a straight line. So AB is a straight line, and initial velocity is OA. The area under the velocity time graph give the displacement of the body. So this is area under velocity time graph, that give what is that, student? Displacement of the body. Displacement represent in the diagram OABC area, and displacement is equal to area of the trapezium OABC. So that area is divided into two parts. One is the rectangle and second one is the triangle. That's why displacement x is equal to area of the rectangle plus area of the triangle, students. And then here opposite sides are equal, so that OA, which is equal to CD, already given clearly. And also next one, here BC is the final velocity, student. The velocity difference between BD is V minus V naught from the clear diagram. Okay, now I am going to do the derivation. See, student, for this first I am considering x is the displacement. Displacement is equal to area of the rectangle is length into breadth, plus area of the triangle is half into base into height. So that x is equal to length is representing is here OC, next breadth is representing is OA, student, plus half into base value, which is equal to AD, and height value represent BD, student. So that I can write from this equation BC, which is equal to V, which is equal to, we can write, that is the value is BD plus DC, student. And continuation step for this, V, which is equal to, we wanted to find the BD plus DC value is V naught clearly given, and here V minus V naught, which is equal to BD, student. This value, okay, already written clearly in the diagram also. Okay, student, and then continuation there, x is equal to OC value, which is equal to time t, and next OA value represent velocity v naught, plus half into AD value also represent the time t, and BD value is V minus V naught, student. And here we have to replace the V minus V naught from the equation. From equation V is equal to U plus AT, basic equation considering. Here according to the concept, final velocity no change, initial velocity taken as V naught plus AT. Rearranging this equation, V minus V naught is equal to AT, student, is replaced in the above equation, so that we will get that x is equal to V naught t plus half into t into v minus v naught is at. Now I am writing final equation, that is x is equal to v naught t plus of at square is the answer for the given question. Please do like and subscribe our channel Nature of Physics and comment also.